If you are looking to start affiliate marketing, you know that the best quality of traffic is from tier 1 countries. So in this video, I am going to show you a superb traffic source that gets almost 80% of its traffic from United States. That is the best quality of traffic that you can get, and this traffic source is very massive and you can make a lot of money because this traffic source allows affiliate links, so you can do a lot of affiliate marketing and make a lot of money just like this. So if you are looking for a simple, free and an easy method to start making money with affiliate marketing, you need to watch this full video. I will tell you which niche works the best. I will tell you which way you are going to promote your link so that you can make double the amount of money with the same traffic, and I will show you all the things, and we are starting right now. If you want to be an online entrepreneur and start your online journey, consider hitting that like button, smashing the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any money making opportunity. As I said, the traffic source that I am going to show you is a massive traffic source, and the best part is that 80% of the traffic is from United States, and this method, this traffic source allows affiliate links so that you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, and it is very simple if you just follow whatever I tell you. So the first thing you need is a product that you can promote, and if you get some sales, you can make commissions. That is affiliate marketing. So for that, you need to come to an affiliate network. ClickBank is the world's largest affiliate network. If you are unable to create a ClickBank account, you can use Digistore24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. Don't worry, I will show you that how you can select products from all of these different websites, but the method will remain the same for any of these websites. Once you sign up to any of these websites, just come to the marketplace of that particular website, and as you can see, there are so many categories that you can promote your products in. If I just go to Digistore as well, there are many categories and niches that you can promote your products in. Now, what I have seen that works best with the traffic source I'm about to show you, the make money online and the parenting niche are the two niches that you can start working on, that with my experience has worked for me. So in this video, I will show you that how you can use make money online niche in order to make money. So just click over here on e-business and e-marketing, and Digistore also, you can just click over here on internet marketing and e-business, and all of these different products will appear over here. As you can see, if I just go to ClickBank, if I just sort this out by gravity, this tells us the higher the gravity, the more popular the product is, the more high converting the product is, and people are actually preferring that product more. So you can choose the higher gravity products. If you just come to Digistore as well, they do a great job in automatically ranking the different products. So this is at number 1 in the internet marketing e-business niche. This is at number 2. So this way they have already provided different sales rank to the products, and this way you can choose the products. This will also apply to the parenting niche as well. Now, in order to promote any product, all you need to do is just click over here on promote, enter your nickname that you will create while creating the account. After that, click over here on generate hop link, and now this has become the link, the special link that you need to promote, that you need to drive traffic to. Whenever someone will click on this link, they will be redirected to the sales page of this particular product, and if they make a purchase, you will make commissions. If you come to Digistore as well, you can just click over here on promote and you will get your affiliate link, as you can see. Now, the trick that will help you to make double the amount of money is that why only promote a single product? For example, some people may be interested in affiliate marketing. Some people may be interested in dropshipping. Some people may be interested in making money on YouTube. Some people may be interested in making money through blogging. So why only promote one product? Because let's say that your traffic is not interested in that product. Now what to do? That traffic will be lost if you only promote one single product. So the trick is that promote multiple products. For example, you can start promoting 12-minute affiliate, because this is related to making money online through affiliate marketing. Another product that you can promote is the perpetual income 365. This is a trick using Netflix in order to make money. So this is different. If you just come to Digistore, this product is regarding how to make money online on YouTube. So this is another method to make money online. So I hope you're getting the point. If you start promoting the parenting niche, let's say some people want the potty training for kids. Let's say some people want sleep training for kids. Let's say some people want the brain training for kids. So promote different products with different audiences so that you can target and make as much money as possible. In order to do this in a professional manner, you can use a free tool called Linktree. Don't worry, it is absolutely free. Just click over here on Get Started for free and create a free account. Once you will log into the free account, this is what the page will look like, and all you need to do is you just need to click over here on add a new link to add that product. What you need to do is over here you need to write a catchy title for that particular product, and after that you need to paste the affiliate link. I've already done 2 examples for you. Like heading number 1 can be about affiliate marketing, make $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing. Heading number 2 can be make $1,000 per day on YouTube without showing your face. So something catchy regarding that particular product, and after that you need to paste your affiliate link over here. Once you do that, you will be able to see that different buttons have appeared over here, and if you click on these buttons, you will be redirected to that particular product's sales page. All you need to do is just click over here on share, copy this URL in a new tab, just paste it, and as you can see, this has become your landing page. And if you click on these different buttons, this will take you to the different sales pages. This is the Linktree link that you need to promote, and this is the single link that will make you double the amount of money because you are promoting multiple products. Now talking about this massive traffic source that has 80% of the traffic from United States, and it is a very easy, free and a very simple traffic to get clicks from and to get conversions and make money from. And the name of this website is Locanto.com. Just come on Google and search for Locanto.com. After that, your country's specific Locanto will open, but we need US based Locanto. For that, just click over here on the countries. Just scroll down below and just click over here on the United States. So the original Locanto from United States will open. After that, all you need to do is you need to post your particular product on this particular website, and many people are doing it and making a lot of money. If I just show you this example, this is research. This is a product from ClickBank, and this person is promoting it on Locanto, and as you can see, this person has pasted his link. If I just click on this link, it will redirect me to that particular product, and as you can see that clickable links are allowed on Locanto, and many people are making a lot of money for free with this massive high quality traffic. All you need to do is just come back to Locanto, just click over here on register or login, and you just need to register for a free account. During registration, this will be the page that will appear. As you can see, they have a free account where you can post your product, and they also have a premium account starting with almost $3 per month. That is very cheap, but you don't need to spend any money to get insane amount of clicks and free traffic. The free account is all you need. So all you need to do is just write your nickname over here, just a few details about yourself, and just click over here on no thanks. Set up a basic account and login. Once you have created your account, all you need to now do is just click over here on post free ad. After that, over here you need to write something catchy, because this will be the headline of your promotion. So if you are in the make money online industry, write something catchy like earn $1,000 per day, the easiest way to earn $1,000 per day, or something like this. After that, you need to select a category, and the people who will be interested in making money online are the ones who are looking for some job, looking for some money making opportunity. So just click on jobs. After that, you can just use marketing, advertising, this category. Once you are selected with that, the next page will open where you need to write the details of your ad. Now over here for the title, write something catchy about your product. For the description, it is as simple as just go back to ClickBank or Digistore or whatever affiliate network you are using. After that, go to the landing page or the sales page of the product you are promoting. Like, let's say we are promoting 12-minute affiliate. So just click over here and you will be redirected to this landing page that is of 12-minute affiliate. From over here, just copy and paste whatever content they have, 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph, just copy all of this and you can paste this in the description box of your advertisement. As you can see, I've just pasted this. You can just click enter and just space it out. Just make it look professional and make it look very, very neat. That's all you need to do. So just copy and paste the description from the product's landing page. After that, for the image over here as well, just come back to the landing page of this particular product and for sure they will have some kind of an image. Like this is an image over here. So just right click at it. As you can see, just click over here on save image as and just save this image to your desktop or computer and just re-upload it over here in the advertisement. Now moving on, none of this is compulsory, none of this is required, so you can leave it. For the website over here, you can just copy and paste your Linktree link and that is basically it. No one will block you. As I showed earlier, clickable links are allowed on this particular website. For the phone number also, you can just leave it blank. For the address, you can just make up an US based address. Just come to Google and just search for the city and the pin code of that city. Like if I just search for New York zip codes, just copy any one of these zip codes and just paste it over there. Once all of this is done, just click over here on post your ad. After that, you will see that they are providing you different options to rank your posts at the top, but that will be paid promotions. If you want to do paid promotions, you can very easily do that because the traffic is very, very good. But don't worry, free traffic, free promotions also gets a lot of high quality views. So just click over here on proceed and that is basically it. As you can see, I pasted my Linktree link and they haven't blocked me. That means clickable links are allowed and you can do this as many times as you want, create as many ads and you can make a lot of money for free. Along with this, if you want to learn how I make big affiliate commissions on a daily basis, I provide one-on-one video call trainings to my students and my students are getting results within the first week as well. I'm not joking. So if you want to be personally trained by me, contact me on my Instagram. You can find a link to my Instagram in the description box below. If you like this method of making money online and want to learn another method in which I have shown how you can make $80,000 for free without having any skill, I have shown you all the steps. Click on the video that is flashing on your screen right now to learn how you can make $80,000 for free, and I have shown all the steps and all the proofs that you need.